Hi there again. I hope the previous video got onto this computer, but if it didn't, I'll be posting it differently. But like I said, I am trying to do a new video that I'm testing out my new stuff. I'm also wearing Kenzie, the necklace, not the real dog, of course, that'd be weird. And I'm wearing my little apron thing just for fun. I really do like my new setup, and I just did my hair for a video, so that's why you're like, your hair is pretty, why is it pretty? And I know I'm not wearing a scrunchie right now. I will totally go get one if you want me to. Be right back. I came back with a whole thing. There's 6, the original scrunchie. So, I explained why I like scrunchies. My cat keeps stealing my hair ties. So when I use scrunchies, he doesn't tend to steal them as much. And I use them for my YouTube channel for adults, and the kid ones I use flowers so I don't mix them up. Because trust me, mixing them up would not be a good thing. Because I talk more adult stuff on that channel and more kids friendly stuff on that channel. You got this. So I got a black one, and I like that because it goes with everything. A gray one is decent. A pretty white one. This one looks like clouds, so it's like gray and black and white. She gave me basic colors, but that is fine. Oh boy, do I look wow. Oh, wow. Good. That's a fabulous day. I know, I look a little ridiculous, but we're gonna rub this in. Hang on. Rubbing in some lotion. Yes, it really does hurt my hand to do that. I was trying not to scream on camera because no one wants to hear that, at all. Oh boy, I better fix this. Sometimes you will see Kenzie and Kevin, my dog and cat, on this channel too. Kenzie is we believe, Chihuahua Yorkie mix. We got her about almost 1 or 2 years ago. She's a sweetie. And I love her, but we just scared her, so I'm trying to comfort her. I feel so bad that we scared her. Yes, I feel so bad that we scared Kenzie onesie. I didn't mean to. She's very confused because she has not seen my workspace yet. What I'm gonna try to do is this. We're going to take this off. We're gonna take this out. Total lens. I really like this product. If you have glasses and you get them filthy, this works really well. Now let's try the mask again, because I want to know if my glasses were just dirty. Okay. Yep, still doesn't do anything. So the fact that they say they don't fog your glasses, not true. But it does have 4 layers for added protection. The good news, I guess. I'm going to give the dog a treat. One of these. I'm doing chores. This is empty. I don't know why it's still down here. Dog has a treat. I'm gonna get out my spray. We're gonna spray the cabinet. Now we're gonna do. Been bad, I haven't done these in a while. And if you're wondering, this is all-purpose cleaner, tea tree oil scent. It removes grass, grime, dirtiest of dirts on all surfaces. I think it works pretty well, considering it's one of the few that has no allergies. And so far, it doesn't leave any streaks. So I've been using it on everything. And I haven't done it in a while because I hurt my finger, and yeah, it still hurt, but it's gotta get done. And now we have to wipe the table. It's filthy right now. Like really filthy. Hit Okay, now you can't really see me that well. Let's see. You can tell. Okay, now we're going to wipe these, the front and the back. Ugh. We're wiping them down with this spray. We're testing this spray. I like this spray. It seems to work pretty well. For the most part. I mean, this is what I get. I'm in the shower. So, there's some pretty bad crap on there, but I tried really hard. So we're gonna do the TV and say hello to the dog. Oh, I'm gonna try to bend down. My chronic regional pain syndrome. Days I'm in wheelchairs, days I can walk. It gets confusing at times. And then I'm doing the glass over here. I'll do the fronts, then the backs, and then my bedroom. Okay. Now the bedroom. Okay, I don't know if you can see me. Do the TV in here. Which can move, which I forgot. The windows and this thing. Front. Now my mirror, which is cleaning the fridge. Cleaning my fridge. I'm already tired. Okay. The fridge. Okay. I did my TV stands, both of them. Wiped down my kitchen table, wiped down the TV, wiped down my 2 mirrors, wiped down the refrigerator, wiped down the windows, wiped down my desk, put away my clothes, wiped down my shower. Only spot I gotta really work on is my computer. I might do that tomorrow with the fans. And I have to work on getting my water bottles together. Whatever I don't finish, I put in the fridge to get cold and give it to my cat. He's obsessed with cold water. And we will be doing this soon. Very soon.